Hi guys, it's Khushi and welcome to another episode of Watercolor Wednesdays. In today's video, I'm going to do a sunrise watercolor painting. I'm using a 200 GSM paper, so let's start. Take some tape, roll it and stick it to all four corners of the paper as shown. You can either follow this or else you can just tape all four sides and create a border if that's what you like. I'm going to use Camel Artist watercolor cakes for this painting and a flat brush. Usually for watercolor paintings, a mop brush is used. Since I don't have that, I'm going to use a flat brush. I'm going to do a wet on wet technique, so here I'm prepping my paper for watercolors. The further part of this video is going to be a speed painting and I hope you guys like it. This is what the painting looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you want to watch more such watercolor videos, then do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.